Hello guys, Noor here. So today we've got the very first look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra months before its launch day. Basically, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has the same design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra with minor changes that makes the S23 Ultra stand out between other devices. So on the back you'll see the same camera design, except the depth sensor and laser autofocus module won't stick out like the three cameras but will lay flush with the back panel, and the camera outline will be bigger than the S22 Ultra. And from the side we have flatter edges, which makes the screen less curved and closer to a flat screen, which looks much better than I expected in these renders. The phone will be a bit wider and slimmer than its predecessor, but will maintain the same battery size. Also, very interestingly, we'll get a thinner chin and symmetrical bezels around the screen. And with all these changes, we'll still have the SIM card tray, and Samsung won't follow Apple with this move for the Galaxy S23 series at least. Also, by now we all know that the 200 megapixel camera sensor is coming with S23 Ultra, but the best thing that Samsung managed to keep the camera size the same as the S22 Ultra and not make it humongous like Xiaomi and other brands. And as we all know now, that Samsung is going with the Snapdragon A Plus Gen 2 for the S22 series. And according to the information from Ice Universe, we'll have great improvement in the NPU, which is the AI chip, and the ISP, the camera chip, and the GPU, the graphics chip. Also, the Prime core has more clock speed at 3.2 GHz compared to 3 GHz of the Snapdragon A Plus Gen 1 on the S22 Ultra. So we can expect a much better picture processing and a big improvement in performance, in addition to more power efficiency. And according to Korean media, Samsung is planning to release the S23 series early this year, about 2 to 3 weeks earlier than the Galaxy S22 series, which will be around early to mid-January of the next year. And also, you're probably wondering about the S23 and the S23 Plus, and we have a new design for these two phones. So if you're curious about the new design, subscribe to my channel because I'm dropping a new video about that. Let me know what you think about these new changes and improvements in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.